Pause your scroll, because the next time you hiccup, you're experiencing one of biology's weirdest mysteries. Hiccups, or singultus, are sudden, involuntary spasms of the diaphragm, that thin muscle separating your chest from your abdomen. But why do we hiccup at all? While common triggers include eating too fast, carbonated drinks, sudden excitement, or even stress, science still can't pin down a single definitive cause. The real twist lies in evolutionary theory. Some scientists believe hiccups are evolutionary leftovers from our ancient aquatic ancestors. As embryos, humans develop gill-like structures, and the hiccup reflex may have once helped tadpole-like creatures expel water from their gills. Others propose it's a primitive mechanism to clear air from the stomachs of suckling mammals, helping newborns feed more efficiently. Yet after centuries of study, hiccups remain stubbornly mysterious, sometimes lasting mere minutes, sometimes persisting for years, and even defying medical intervention. So next time you hiccup, remember, you're echoing the deep, bizarre past of human evolution, a strange biological quirk that science has yet to fully unravel.